Another year, another 24 hours race, another battle of endurance. This is third in a row. This time it's important, very important. It's tough. We have to put everything on the line. Honestly, I can't stop asking myself, why are we doing this? 24 hours racing, 24 hours under stress, long days, sleepless nights, sore, tired bodies, minds, and sometimes constant headaches. In this race, your mind tries to constantly predict the future, but we can't. Anything can happen any minute, any second, and sooner or later it probably will. We see a lot of accidents here. Too many cars, some argue. Why are we doing this? It's easier to race someone else's car, to be consistent for only 2 hours during your stint. With it being our team, we have to organise and coordinate everything. It really adds to the pressure. There is always that fear when you go out. It's a bit like flying. It's 1,000,000 to 1 chance that your plane is going down that day, but the thought enters your mind just the moment before you get in. And always the mind thinks of family. Maybe I'm not a real race driver. As they say, the real racers don't ever consider these thoughts. From the start, when we faced electrical gremlins, I was really worried. I thought the past was back again to haunt us, and I asked myself, why are we doing this? Our car is not easy to drive. We do not have any of the sophistication and technology the modern day race cars have. Be it Cup, TCR, or GT3, we are a Nintendo in a world of virtual reality. It's a really challenging and tough race. Sometimes it's crazy out there. To be honest, pretty scary too. At one point at 3 AM or something, after a serious spin and close call, I sat in the car exhausted. I thought to myself, why are we doing this? The excitement, am I doing this just for myself? Just to satisfy my passion and obsession of racing? Fast forward another 10 hours and I was back in the car really suffering from carbon monoxide fumes. Heike then said, turn on the driver's fan, and amazingly it was such a relief. And I managed to keep the car going, consciously pushing but every lap repeating the phrase, don't make a mistake, don't make a mistake. Mostly I drove those last 2 hours in fear. Fear of what I would say to everyone if we didn't finish. Fear of making a mistake. Fear of someone else crashing into me. Fear of having to accept defeat for the 3rd time. And lastly, fear of people saying, why do you do this? In the end, fear was replaced with relief. I was so focused I didn't even see the last lap board. And we finished it. We finished the race. We posted the second fastest lap time in class. We were nominated for the Spirit of the Race award, and most importantly, we gelled as an old and partially new team beyond all expectations. It was a great achievement by the team, and I don't think it really matters that we didn't make the podium. It doesn't feel like we lost. In our minds, we won. We dealt with everything the race threw at us, and we got through it with teamwork and sheer determination. How many things do we do in life where we really, earnestly support such a team of people? I do it for the enjoyment it brings not only to myself, but to everyone associated with us, and the fact we can support each other as a family. I do it because I always believe that somehow we can win. But as Ian Rogers always says, to come first, you must first finish, which we did. I do it because we're the underdogs and captivate the hearts of others who admire those who are prepared to attempt something really challenging. So, only one question remains. Will we do it again? I don't think so. But ask me again in a few months. You never know.